It's a little loud, and I'm sure neighbors are not going to like this bike at all. It is the middle of the day. At night, I'll have to roll it up to the front.
Oh my god, I'm not used to this. This thing is so weird, I don't like it.
We are turning right here. Oh, we just missed it. Sorry, we can cheese it. How you doing? How you feel?
I do not like this.
Oh, be a baby.
It feels so weird.
Give it some revs. Come on, give it a little bit. There you go.
It's like a dirt bike.
You sound like a Harley.
It sounds like a brother. That's what that sounds like.
You look good. It's so weird, like, seeing someone else ride one of your bikes. Like, it's surreal. Oh, we're good here.
Oh my god.
Oh, no, we're not. Hold on. A little bit longer of a wait. This thing's getting hot. Ah, my balls. Turn it right here. Perfect. Yeah, we got the light, so it's perfectly legal and everything. This is super high up. So you really have to swing your leg over. Go for it. Good girl.
This is so weird.
It's so funny. You're like so comically small on it. I think we're good. That's it. We're done. All right, when's your flight? Kidding.
Let's start walking now.
Yeah, no, get back here. Where you going?
This isn't fair.
I can't see where the bike. Oh, it's over there. I was gonna throw you on it. See that? That's unfair.
Oh, mine used to be able to do it.
That's not good. That's not a good thing. It's a horrible. That's why this helmet sucks.
That's just a piece of thing.
I can't wait to get back to the apartment and swap this out. How are you on gas? You got plenty of gas. You're good. That thing gets the gas mileage on that thing is ridiculous. So you'll be fine.
I keep forgetting that I need to shift sooner on that too.
On what? That? A little bit. You'll by the end of the weekend you'll be like in love with that bike.
I don't know about that.
You'll be totally fine.
I don't know about that.
You know how to start it up? Oh my gosh, she's a professional.
It's not rocket science.
Let's go for a little ride.
I think the only thing that gets me is how loose the steering is.
You just gotta be careful. You gotta muscle it a little bit more. Oh my god, look at you. You are completely fine. I don't know why I was worried at all.
The exhaust sounds good.
Yeah, you're gonna hear a lot of exhaust noise through this helmet because this helmet has like no noise dampening at all. So apologies.
Go! I don't want to put my feet down. Go!
You look so good on that bike.
I feel like I look weird. God, the clutch is so easy though.
What is so easy?
The clutch.
Oh yeah, that's why I love that bike. It's so easy to ride. Oh, I forgot. I'll turn signals. I'm gonna be turning right at this light. It's one of my favorite roads in this whole area.
It sounds so good.
It's horrible. It doesn't have a pipe on it.
I'm talking about the supercharger noises.
Oh yeah. If you can hear it over the exhaust.
I did hear it.
I barely can.
Oh yeah, hitting some lean. You can't lean on this thing.
Hope I didn't scare you there.
No, I got excited. I'm gonna try to take my phone out of my pocket.
I can throw that in my backpack when
I just gotta put it in my waistline real quick.
Do you want to stop?
No, it's okay. 2 seconds and I'll be good.
See, this feels nice. This is like that perfect temperature. You see, this bike isn't that crazy to ride around. That's totally fine right now.
I think it's just, I don't think it's the part that I'm scared of is riding it. I think it's just like stop and go because of how tall it is.
Yeah, that's true. Maybe during the day isn't the best idea.
Because even on this one, I have to scoot myself all the way to the front to touch.
You ever think about leg extensions?
Alright. Should talk to my mom about those. She's only 5'3".
You know you're right from lefts, right?
Straight?
No, right.
Okay.
You know like left from right, right?
Yes.
Okay, good.
I'd hope so.
There are some of my friends who don't. They don't. They have to like do one of these.
No way.
Yeah.
You're joking.
I'm not. It's an epidemic. Directionally challenged, we call it.
Hey, some people are like that.
Whenever you like pull the throttle, it shoves you back into the seat. And so you keep pulling the throttle because you're trying to hold on. So you end up going way faster than what you intend. We're gonna turn right here.
I got hit by a bug.
Oh no. There's a little bit more of a technical turn.
Oh my god. Oh, I got it.
There is a state trooper that lives right over here.
I've been zoning out. I've been looking at, oh my god, the bump. All the trees. Oh wow, okay, I saw that. I was a little fruity there.
Alright, and now I'm feeling the heat. It's a little fucking hot here.
Hey, I'm chilling right now.
Don't tell me this is going where I think it's going. No. Well, we might get a little bit warmer here. I mean, I think we're going to get a little bit warmer here, which is okay. That's why we planned for this. Oh, wait, maybe not. Oh, I thought...
Warmer? What do you mean warmer?
Thought it was going to like put us into an intersection, which it might. It very well might. Oh, no, I know where we're at. Yeah, no, this is cool. I know. I got it. We're good.
Huh?
I know where we're at now. We're good. This is exactly where I wanted us to go. So this is good. I mean, we're going to have to sit at this intersection possibly for a little bit, but it's not a big deal because we are going in the right direction. Everything is going to be fine. We're totally cool.
Oh my god.
You having trouble there?
No. This doesn't want to.
Please don't drop my bike. I ordered frame sliders. They never came. I just remembered that. Oh, green light.
I keep rolling backwards.
Looking backwards?
Rolling backwards.
Oh. Did you make it?
Made the light though, yeah.
Oh,
well, I mean, it was kind of, may have been red.
We're turning right here, by the way. To the left over there are some very nice roads. Oh, wow. A lot of gravel here. Watch out. Just going to roll right through that. You think we can go around it?
Please. You're on a bike and you're asking if you can go around it?
I don't know. Making sure you're comfortable with it. It's technically 35 through here, but pay no mind to that.
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah, don't worry about
and
that.
You picked up, so then I had to pick up.
My friend used to live in that house right there. So not this light, but the next one we're turning right. I think so, yeah, that's how. That'll allow us to get back to the apartment without having to do any more left turns or sitting at intersections, which is very good in my opinion, yeah. I hate left turns on a bike because you just sit there forever. Turning right. What do you think of the 07 so far?
It's not bad.
Man, don't tell me that. That's one of the best bikes ever made.
I like my CBR.
All right, I can't blame you for that. Your own bike is always going to be the best, but I love that bike so much.
On your right.
Oh yeah, you look good. God, that thing fits you so well. Like you actually look like you fit on that thing.
First bike that I look like I fit on.
Well, I guess compared to this one, you're gonna look way more proportionate.
It feels so weird. I don't know where I'm going.
Straight. We live off this. Well, I live off this road. Hey, to be fair, we've slept the same amount of nights as I have at that apartment. So, well, like you've slept there as many times.
You know this area better though.
I know. I'm just commenting on the fact that I said that I live there. If it's like, I can't really say that yet because you've slept there as many times as I have. So it's not really my place yet. I have to make it my own.
Yeah, I guess that's true.
You notice how
my phone?
You notice
sweat.
You notice how I'm missing Yamaha logos? It's supposed to go right there. That's what the blank circle. It's supposed to be a Yamaha logo. It looks stupid. I don't know.
That is as much as I can touch.
What? The tiptoe? I mean, I'm just glad you can touch like both sides down.
I can touch almost every single bike both sides down.
Because I think of people when they drop their bikes, it's usually because they can't touch both sides, and when it starts tipping one side, they panic and then they drop it. But you can actually touch both sides, so I feel like it's way less of an issue.
Yeah.
It's a good thing. But I can't hear you.
Yeah, okay.
Oh hell yeah.
You can play that game.
You accidentally wheelie it because you let the clutch out. Right lane when we get up here. Not yet. Hold on. It splits off into 2 lanes.
You said we were turning, and I'm like,
No. Up here. Not this light, but the next one. So we're gonna go, yeah, that lane.
Jesus. Dude, gone in a second.
See how quiet and peaceful it just got?